fact, it's actually the day after Thanksgiving, so what better time than to try and fix some lights. I have here a 300 count clear Icicle lights. I'm not a big fan of Icicle lights, but I've been thinking about this for a few years. It's probably why I have these sitting around, but I've been thinking, what else can you do with Icicle lights that don't look like Icicle lights? So I'm gonna try something new today, and I'm gonna put them up on my greenhouse, and let's hope it turns out all right. So there's your basic lights on a string. It is 19 feet long. 19 feet long. So I'm gonna open these things up and get going. All right. I'm just gonna start separating these and pulling these out, just like this. And then this is the female end. I'm just gonna wind these up on the 19-foot length here. I'm gonna take these Icicle things that hang down, and I'm gonna just wrap them up and over the top of the 19-foot length cord. Just gonna go round and round and round. And then at the very end, the last one in the line, I'm just gonna thread it back onto itself and then shove it in there. So I'm gonna come closer and show you that. So here's the long 19-foot length. Here's one of the Icicles hanging down. I'm just gonna take and wrap this around here like this. See how that looks? I got one done here. I've done one already. You can see it makes a nice string of multiple lights in the string itself. So I kind of like that. All right, so I got it all done, all the way down to the end. You can see. And I'm gonna go set up the camera out there in the greenhouse and start putting these on. There's your screw, just wrap it. And the same up here. And these are just stapled in here, you can see. Here's my cedar lath stapled on there. That cedar lath is screwed in on the outside, sandwiches that polycarbonate between those two layers there. Oh, nice.